your mindset defines whether you feel good or bad, right? So after this video, hopefully you can learn something that I apply. The first thing that really helps me a lot is thinking like the person that I want to be, whether that's some super rich person or a really athletic football player. What would they do? What would they act like or think to themselves to be that person? What would that person do? Another thing that helped me a lot was realizing that you can't do something if you don't think you can do it. For one of my sports practices, every day we would run around the school, and it wasn't that bad, but my mindset, my thoughts said that it was bad, that it was painful, that it was tiring, that I wanted to stop. I don't tell myself anymore that I can't do it because it's just not gonna help. Whether I actually can or can't, if I'm actually really bad at something, there's no point in stating the obvious. Destroy the thoughts that make you how you do not want to be. Another thing that helps me a lot and works in a lot of situations is acting before you know how. So many times it's a lot easier to do something when you don't overthink it. The faster you do something, the easier it will be to do it. Whether it's talking to someone, trying to score a goal, going outside, eating food, the faster you do it, the easier it's gonna be. And again, don't overthink it, just do it. Don't overthink it, don't overthink it, don't overthink it, don't overthink it, don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Before I talk about the next thing, if you like the vibe of this video so far, consider subscribing. My name's Timothy, I'm 16 years old. I just love sharing things that I've done in my own life that helped me a lot, so hopefully you can think about something that I say. I'm doing a lot of other stuff like sports, working, talking to you right now to train my mind, and it really helps me a lot. I'm able to score more goals, get more success in my YouTube, or make more money. I never even scored a goal before, but I thought that I could do it, that I've almost already done it before. I've done it in practice. So when it comes to a game and I get an opportunity to score, I'm not surprised, I'm not scared, because I know I can do it, and I did. Last year and this year too. Also with talking with new people, having this channel, talking to you. Also, if you'd be interested in having your own YouTube channel, growing that, helping a lot more people, and also making money from it, if you'd be interested in that, and it'll also get you more confident, give you more mindsets to improve on, click that Calendly link in the description and book a free call with me, and I'd love to see if I could actually help you grow your YouTube channel too. The last mindset I'm gonna leave you on, which is the most important one, is being positive. Think about this. Someone would swap lives with you in a heartbeat. In a heartbeat. They wouldn't even second guess themselves. They'd sign the waiver, they'd snap their fingers, and instantly swap lives with you. That's crazy. So what about what other people would say? So what if this happened? It really gets you thinking. It really does. Even if things aren't performing as well as you think they are, or you think you could be doing better, look at yourself 3 months ago, or 6 months ago, or a year ago, 5 years ago, and see how much you've changed. And be positive that there's the like-minded club. If you're not sure what that is, I have a free like-minded community with hundreds of people all sharing things, getting better, getting advice on their problems, and we're all getting better in such a great place. So join that for free if you want to. If you like this video, consider liking it. It'll mean a lot for me. And yeah, hope this video can implant something in your mind and you can get better. So that's it for now. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.